Comparing fractions with the same denominator. When two fractions have the same numerator, this means we are considering the same number of parts of a whole, but this doesn't mean we have the same amount from the whole because the denominator is different. This means we have used different methods of division for the whole. In these situations, the greatest fraction is the one with the smallest denominator. This is because the bigger the denominator, the tinier the partitions are. Hence, when we consider the same number of partitions in two fractions with different denominators, the fraction with the least number of partitions, with the smaller denominator therefore, represents a larger part from the whole. We have the following shown on screen. Because 4 is less than 5. In simpler words, the fraction 3/4 are the greatest as we have taken 3 parts of the whole out of 4, while in the fraction 3/5 we have taken 3 parts of the whole out of 5. Look at the figure shown in the following on screen. Example. Which fraction is the greatest? Solution. We have two fractions with the same denominator, 9. Therefore, the greatest one is the fraction with the greatest numerator, the second one. We can write the following shown on screen. We have two fractions with the same numerator, 5. Therefore, the greatest one is the fraction with the smallest denominator, the first one. We can write the following shown on screen. This is obvious as the first fraction represents more than half of the whole, 5 parts out of 7, while the second fraction represents less than half of the whole, 5 parts out of 11. That is all for lesson 3.3.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.3.3, comparing fractions with different numerators and denominators. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.